Hello student, Heaven Series here. So we are हम स्टार्ट किए हैं रियल नंबर्स विच इज द सेकेंड चैप्टर ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक मैथमेटिक्स पार्ट 1 ऑफ क्लास 9. So today we will understand how to multiply the surds. हम अभी surds के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. So today we will understand how to multiply the surds. So in our exercise, that is in practice set 2.3, we have already solved question up to 6. So today we are going to solve the 7th question. It says multiply and write the answer of the surds in its simple form. Okay. So first question we have. So first question. What is first question? We have root 3 into 12. Sorry, 3 into root 12 into root 18 into root 18. So we have to multiply these surds and we have to write the answer into the simplest form. Okay. So solution now. Solution. So we have 3 root 12 into root 18. See, the power of both root is same. That means we can multiply them easily. Therefore, we can write 3 into. So 12, or we can write both the surds together. 12 into 18. Okay. So again we have to multiply. See, we have to divide this 12 as 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 into 18 can be written as 2 into 9. 2 into 9, 9 2s are 18. Then 3 inside the root, 3 into. See, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Into we have 4 into 2. So 3 into 3 will be square of 3. So 3 into 3 square into 3. See, अब इनके पास कोई पेयर नहीं है, so we can multiply them easily. So 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Okay. So here we can write, see, this square of 3 will come outside because इसका जो स्क्वायर है ये रूट को कट करके बाहर आ जाएगा. So we can write 3 into 3 root 24. So 3 into 3 is 9. So answer will be 9 root 24. So this is the answer in its simplest form. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Now next question. Next question says 3 root 12. 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. 7 root 15. Okay. So solution. So again the power of both root is same. So we can multiply them as we have to write first 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. So अब इनका पावर क्या है, सेम है. So दोनों सर्ड्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. So 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Inside root we can write 12 into 15. We can write 12 into 15. So 3 7s are 21 into. See, 12 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 into. इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 3 into 15. Okay. So 21 into. See, 3 and 3 will become square of 3. And what is 4? 4 is the square of 2 into we have, it is 5. 5 3s are 15. So here we have 5. So देखो 3 and 2 दोनों के ऊपर स्क्वायर है. So ये स्क्वायर रूट को काट कर बाहर आ जाएंगे. So we can write 21 into 2 and 3 into 2. 2 and 3 दोनों बाहर आ जाएंगे. So what will remain inside? Only root 5. So 2 3s are 6. 6 1 is 6. and 6 2s are 12. So we can write answer as 126 root 5. So we can simplify this 9 root 24 again as, तो इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं. ओके, हियर वी हैव 9 root 24. So 9 root 24 can be written as 2 square into 2 into 3. 2 into 3, देखो 2 का स्क्वायर है, दैट मीन्स 2 भी बाहर आ जाएगा. सो 9 into 2 into 2 3 is 6. Okay, so 9 2s are 18. So we can write 18 root 6 is the simplest form of this surds. Okay, so this is the simplest form for first question and this is the simplest form for second question. So in question number 7 we have 2 more questions. They are homework for you. Okay, so write down this part because this is very important. Okay, so write down now. So now we will solve the 8th question. 8th question says divide the surds and write answer into their simplest form. Okay, so in question number 8 we have 4 sub questions. So from 4 sub question we are going to solve 2 sub questions now. 2 sub questions now, first and second, then 2 will be homework for you. Okay, so we have to write the solution. So here we have to divide. So we have a solution. We have root 98 divided by root 2. See, again दोनों का जो पावर है रूट का क्या है, सेम है. So they can divide easily. So we can write as root 98 divided by root 2. Okay, then we can write, अगर दोनों का पावर क्या है, सेम है, so we can write them as root 98 divided by 2. Okay, so therefore see, हम इसको पहले सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में यहाँ पर सॉल्व कर लेंगे. So 98 divided by 2. So 2 4 is 8. So 8 को माइनस करेंगे will remain 1 and 8 को हम यहाँ पर ला लेंगे. So 2 9s are 18. So 18 में से 18 क्या कट गया, तो आंसर क्या आ गया, 49. So we can write answer as 49. Okay, so now we had, this is the answer, but we have to write this answer into simplest form. So we know root 49 को हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. So we can write it as 7 into 7 means square of 7. So square and root will get cancelled. So answer will be 7. So answer will be 7. So this is the answer, which is the simplest form of this part. Okay, now question number 2. So again we have to write solution and power of the both is same, therefore we can write 125 root divided by root 50. So if power is same, then we can divide them easily, like root 125 divided by root 50. Therefore power is same, so we can write them as 125 divided by 50. So again we have to simplify this part here. So 125 divided by 50 or divided by 50. 125 divided by 50. See, both can, we can write this as 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. And 50 can be written as 5 into 2 into 5 2s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So therefore we can write as 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 into 2. So this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled, and this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. So what will remain now? Will remain 5 by 2. So this is the simplest form of answer. So 5 by 2 will be answer, or we can write it as root 5 divided by root 2, or we can write root 5 divided by root 2. But this is the simplest form. Okay. So this is the solution. So write down the answer. So now we are going to solve the 9th question. It says rationalize the denominator. मीन्स जो डिनोमिनेटर में जो नंबर रहेगा उसको रेशनल नंबर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. अगर वो रूट में है तो रूट को हम कर रहे हैं कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. ओके. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव 3 बाय रूट 5. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव 3 बाय रूट 5. सो 3 बाय रूट 5 को हमको क्या करना है, इसके डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज करना है. ओके. सो सॉल्यूशन. So we know we have 3 by root 5. So जो root 5 है इसको हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई भी करेंगे और डिवाइड भी करेंगे. Therefore multiply and divide given number by root 5. Okay. So we will get, what we will get, 3 divided by root 5 into root 5 divided by root 5. So multiply भी किया and divide भी किया. So ये क्या हो जाएगा solution, दोनों को multiply करेंगे तो we will get 3 root 5 divided by root 5 into root 5 is root 5 का square. So square and root will get cancel. So what we will get, 3 root 5 divided by 5. So this is the answer. Okay. So we can say, देखो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर रूट 5 था और हमने उसको कन्वर्ट किया किसमें, 5 में. दैट इज हमने क्या किया, रेशनलाइज किया है डिनोमिनेटर को. ओके. सो राइट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. Then we have second question. Second question have 1 by root 14. 1 by root 14. So again we have to rationalize the denominator. So denominator is what, root 14. So जो डिनोमिनेटर में रूट के अंदर जो वैल्यू रहेगी उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई भी करेंगे एंड डिवाइड भी करेंगे ऑन द सेम नंबर. सो solution we have 1 divided by root 14. So 1 divided by root 14 into root 14 divided by root 14. So 1 into root 14 is root 14 divided by root 14 into root 14 is root 14 का square. So square and root will get cancelled. So what we will have now, root 14 divided by 14. So this is the rationalization of denominator form. Okay. यहाँ पर क्या था, root 14 and now we have 14 only. That means we have rationalized the denominator. Okay. So write down the solution. Now we will solve the fourth problem because third problem is really easy. So we will solve the fourth problem. The fourth problem says 6 divided by 9 root 3. Okay. So we have to rationalize the denominator now. So solution. So we have 6 divided by 9 root 3. So therefore we can write as 6 divided by 9 root 3 into, so we have to multiply now. So if we multiply we will get 6 root 3 divided by 9 into root 3 is root 3 square. Square and root will get cancelled. So what we will have now? We will have 6 root 3 divided by 9 into 3. So 3 1 is 9, 3 1 is 3 and 3 2 is 6. So we can get 2 root 3 divided by 9, or we can write it as 2 divided by 9 of root 3. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the way you have to solve the answer. So here we have completed our practice set 2.3. So in next part we will understand about the binomial surds. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।